I've helped over 500 companies get from 0 to 6, 7, and 8 figures in revenue. I'm going to compress 15 years of business experience into this one video so you can create your business plan startup in 8 simple steps. 1, define your mission and vision statement. Think of this as the heart and soul of your business. For example, when Google started, it wasn't just a search engine. It was a vision for actually taking all the world's information and bringing it into one place. Your vision tells people what you're hoping to achieve over the long term. It's the why behind your startup. Your mission is more focused. It's what you do, how you do it, and who you do it for. Your mission statement will help you stay focused as you grow. Think about companies like Airbnb. Their mission was clear: to help people belong anywhere. It's simple but powerful. Step 2, conduct thorough market research. Now that you know where you want to go, you need to understand your landscape. Look at your competitors, your target audience, and the problems that your product or service will solve. For instance, before launching Uber, they understood how traditional taxi services were inefficient. They identified an opportunity and built a solution around it. Market research isn't just about knowing who your competitors are, it's about understanding the entire ecosystem. Remember, you can't solve a problem and build a business until you really understand your market. Step 3, define your product or service. At this step, you have your vision and market insights. Now it's time to break down exactly what you're offering. Your product or service is the core of your business. Will it be a physical product like the iPhone, or a service like Uber? Or perhaps you're offering software as a service like Dropbox. The key here is to be super clear about the problem that your product or service is solving, and then from there, building distinct channels to offer it to other people. Step 4, define your business model and revenue channels. Now let's talk about how your startup will actually make money. This is where the rubber meets the road. Is your offering a one-time service? Is it a monthly subscription? Are you going to start off with a freemium model? It's really important to understand every month how you bring in revenue. Too many startups go through a phase of 0 revenue and have really high valuations, so it's super core to focus on revenue immediately as soon as you can bring it in. One thing just to consider is offering your product or service for free to start so you can get referrals, build up your confidence, and then when you do actually charge money, you're going to be super well versed and the whole process will go a lot smoother. So don't be afraid to take a couple months to offer your product or service for free, gain experience, a bit of a network, and then from there, start charging what you're worth. Step 5, developing financial projections for your business plan. Your financial forecasts are critical. Startups, even experienced businesses, they often struggle with this. At the end of the day, the things that make you most uncomfortable are the things that are going to give you dividends. Take the time to break out your different revenue channels, your core costs, budgeting. You'll be surprised at your first year projections. I do this a lot, and they're often a break even in the first year. Don't be afraid to invest into your business and even lose a little bit of money in the first year for your startup, but have a clear vision of when you will become profitable. Going through the process of financial projections will make you so much stronger 6 months out, 8 months out, and a year out. Look ahead, understand responsibly where money will go, invest into marketing, and take your business to the next level. Step 6, create an operational plan. How will you actually deliver your product or service? What does it look like? Are you laying on your couch all day, working from your laptop? Are you in an office? Will you have a brick and mortar store? What are the logistics around it? Some companies have supply chains, while other ones are just purely working an e-commerce model where they're just running ads and looking at their site, giving clients what they need. Your operational plan should discuss the who, what, where, when, why, and how things actually work. Step 7, build your marketing strategy. Now, how are you going to tell the world about your business? From video to SEO, your marketing plan needs to articulate exactly how you are going to brand your company and how you're going to get in front of more and more of your target customer. Look, your business will have a limited budget. That's just a reality. It's important to understand how much money you have every month to put into marketing and then to test. Alex Hormozy once said, marketing is just a fancy 9-letter word for test. And it's right. Test your different channels, Google Ads, video, SEO, social media, knocking on doors, market, get the data, and then from there, choose which one's working and do more and more and more of that. Step 8, create your executive summary. The first thing that people will read when they're reviewing your startup business plan is the executive summary. Essentially, the executive summary should be a one-page document that just communicates what the rest of the entire business plan for your startup will be about. It's super important to communicate the who, what, where, when, why right out of the gate. In our business plans, we always take the first sentence to say XYZ company was formed by ABC entrepreneur at this date in this area, this province or state. The second sentence is like a thesis. It essentially communicates what your business is doing. There are way too many business plans that are written where people are getting to the third page and they have no idea what this thing is even about. Condense it into one sentence, and that should basically be the second sentence in your business plan. Do you need help creating a business plan? The process can be absolutely gruesome if you're doing it on your own. We take pride in working with great entrepreneurs who are visionaries. We go through the process with them. It's very customized. There's a lot of financial projections, detailed calls throughout the entire process, and we'd be happy to work with you. Either way, best of luck with your business plan for your startup. Work hard, bring your team into it, and just ensure that it really represents you. And remember, it's a live document. Try to work on it every single month, at least a few times a year. Thanks.